Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna tell you how you can get software updates after getting jailbreak. Yes, many of us not getting software update of iOS 13 and like any other software updates whenever you get jailbroken. Over the update jailbreak, over the update software updates from Apple will be disabled by default. So you have to enable it to get software updates. First open Uncover app, open settings. Now from here carefully uncheck these options 1, 2 and this especially disable updates. Okay, disable and that's it. And also enable restore root fs. Okay, done. Once you click restore root fs, your device will be restart once, and when you get your device restarted, just go to setting, general, software update. Here we go. So here you can see iOS 13 is available over the air with this tweak from Uncover. So just settings and carefully untick these options, especially disable updates. This will be enabled by default, you have to disable it. Okay, then click